Hi, and welcome to Pro Tip 3. This is where structure meets predictability. The master roster isn't something you use everywhere, and that's intentional. Most rostering needs flexibility, and that's handled through demand and availability. But for certain roles, like leadership, education, or core responsibilities, consistency matters. These clinicians need protected, reliable time, and this is where that stability is created. In this video, we're looking at how to add specific staff to the master roster. First, navigate to the master roster and find the schedule you want to update. Then, open the Manage Staff Assignments modal by clicking the corresponding button on the roster interface. From the list of available staff, select the person you want to add, in this case, Adam Cho. Click Add Selected Staff to assign them to the schedule. You'll see a confirmation message appear in the top right corner. Then, close the modal, and the roster will update to reflect the new assignment. It is that easy. In reality, many emergency departments have a large pool of staff members to choose from, and scrolling down the modal to find the one specific staff member can be time-consuming. Therefore, here is an easy way you can assign that one staff member to a specific slot. Simply open the Manage Staff Assignments modal and use the search field to type the staff member's name. As you type, matching staff members will appear in a drop-down. Select the ones you want to add. Once you've made your selections, click Add Selected Staff, and you'll see the confirmation message in the top right corner. Close the modal, and the roster updates instantly with the new assignments. It is that simple. Understanding that the master roster works on a repeating cycle, typically 4 weeks, using the shift patterns you've already defined. That cycle is anchored to a start date, so everything aligns correctly as it repeats over time. Now, not everyone needs to be on the master roster. For clinicians with variable hours or flexible schedules, availability does the heavy lifting instead. So when it comes time to build the roster, think of the master roster as a starting point, not a rulebook. It gives you predictability where it helps, without locking the entire team into rigid patterns. And that balance is what makes rostering both safe and practical. Thanks for watching Pro Tip 3. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your system administrator or check out the Help Center for more guidance. See you in the next Pro Tip.